Hello, welcome back to Elite Cycling Fitness. Thanks for joining us. We're the site that gives you all sorts of hints and advice to enjoy your cycling lifestyle, whatever level you are at, from all of our experience in racing and training at elite levels. Now, today there is this exclusive Physio Room deal where the link you can see there, Physio Room offers, and it has a special StairMill Stepmaster offer, which is going to be 15% off if you use the reference you can see quoted there, that's StairMW. Great product, and we would recommend it while you're with us. Remember, when you subscribe to elitecyclingfitness.com, you get 15 free ebooks worth over £200. But today we wanted to focus on this deal with the Physio Room, look at all their offers on that link, and look out particularly for the StairMill on http://dld.bz/Physio Room offers. Thanks for joining Elite Cycling Fitness. We'll see you soon.